Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sync Skylight app to calendar. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To sync your calendars with the latest version of the Skylight calendar app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Skylight app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, select the option that says devices on the bottom of your screen, then choose your Skylight calendar from the list of available devices. Then tap the sync icon on the home screen, then select sync a new calendar. Then once that's done, select Google as your calendar provider, then input your Gmail address, then choose between one-way Google to Skylight or two-way Google to Skylight and vice versa. Then simply tap on approve access. Then once that's done, log in to your Google account when prompted. After authorization, select the specific calendars you wish to sync, then tap on sync calendars. Wait a few minutes for the events to populate on the Skylight calendar, and once that's done, you'll be successfully able to connect the Skylight to your calendar. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.